Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Andrea, and as you can see, I'm still in my B&D uniform because we've just finished our Zumba. So anyway, today I am about to do another unboxing for you guys. So as you can see, I've got a DKNY carrier bag right here, and I'm going to unbox a micro bag that I got from Beicester Village 2 months ago. I've been really busy, so I didn't manage to do an unboxing. I got 2 bags, and the other one I've unboxed it already. So are you ready? This is really cute. This is how the carrier bag looks like. It's sturdy, it's multifunctional. You can use this one for your shopping. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, ta-da! This is the micro bag that I got from DKNY. This is actually called, it's got a name, it's called Elise micro mini bag. This is how it looks like. On this retails for £110, but obviously I got this one for a really good deal. At the moment, I'm really obsessed with micro bag, so the moment I saw this as well, I was like, I'm gonna have that one. So this is how it looks like on the back. It's got the silver tone hardware with magnetic closure with the lock detailing on the front, as you could see. And if you open it like that, this is how it looks like. It's very small, I'm afraid, but it can fit your lipstick, cards, and maybe keys, hand sanitizer. This is how it looks like. It's got a one slip card pocket inside, and at the back, I really love the detailing about this one. At the back, it's got this slip packet as well, that you can store your credit card, your debit card, or your tickets, train tickets. And unfortunately, the chain is not removable. It's just very cute, and I love it. This side looks like it's made in a genuine leather. Let me just try this one on so you can see. So there you are. This is how it looks like. So cute, lovely. See? So yeah, I can't wait. I don't know what's gonna fit in here. Maybe some cards. There you are. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.